Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to display or show multiple operating systems if you have dual boot or multi-boot enabled on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you want to be prompted to select an operating system when your computer boots up, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the option. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Advanced System Settings. Best match should come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Startup and Recovery, you want to select the Settings button. And where it says Time to Display List of Operating Systems, you want to check mark inside of there. And then you can select how many seconds you want the operating system to be displayed. If you want to select the default operating system, you can select this drop down up here at the top as well. If you want to select the default one that it would load you into automatically if you did not make a selection here. So pretty straightforward process on that. You would select OK to save the change, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.